want to direct you towards with this is homemade bone broth. It's such an important part of a healthy diet. Like most cultures have some sort of bone broth that they enjoy. And I mean, for me personally, it has made like, it's helped me um, leaps and bounds in terms of improving my health. Utilizing store-bought bone broth, it's okay, but it's not going to have the same level of gelatin and collagen that your joints can really utilize to heal, and your gut can use to heal. Um, so it's okay if that's, you know, what's on the table for this evening, but I really want to encourage you to, anytime you have meat, save the bones in a bag in your freezer, and once that bag gets full, simmer it down into a broth. It's like you're just utilizing the scraps from your food. When I'm consuming bone broth, absolutely see a difference in hair, skin, and nails, joints ache less, and my stomach hurts less. I deal with some serious IBS, so it's like absolutely part of my regimen to keep things under wraps and inflammation down and my gut health up.